So guys, good morning. I'm Architect Jojo. So we're here in Congressional Town Center, Tower 3. And nandito tayo ngayon sa 10th floor level sa ongoing rebars and formworks. And of course, so mahalaga ang papel ng ating structural consultant na kasama ko ngayon. So ito si Engineer Romel and Engineer Meg. Ayan. And also yung sa CM natin, si Engineer Ruel, and yung safety natin, si Engineer Sam. So nandito kami ngayon para inspectionin yung ating mga rebars. So napakahalaga ng dapat na-check of course ng ating structural consultant yung ating mga rebars dito bago natin buhusan. So yan nandito yung structural consultant natin para inspectionin yung bubuhusan nating 10th floor level.
From the cross section as compared dito sa longitudinal. As you can see, meron dito yung area na to is this wide beam should be deeper to this wide beam. This one is 300 and that one is 450, right? 450 to, di ba? So we need to verify this this detail to 450.
So guys, in my background yung ongoing rebars ng ating core wall. So ito yung ating elevator, core wall dito sa 10th floor level. So ito pa yung mga other na mga rebars natin dito sa slab, columns, and beams. So ito yung ating tower crane. Naman guys, yung ating mga formworks dito sa loob ng ating elevator shop. And ito yung ating slab rebars dito sa ating elevator lobby. And ito yung ating elevator core wall. So na-inspection na ng ating structural consultant or structural engineer itong area ng ating 10th floor and ready na siyang buhusan this coming Saturday, June 27, 2026 here in our 10th floor level of Congressional Town Center, Tower 3. Now ito naman guys yung mga ties natin na naka-prepare na and ready na rin yan ma-install doon sa designated area ng ating mga beams and other areas na kailangan nating kabitan ng ating mga ties. So yan mga ongoing installation ng ating mga rebars dito sa 10th floor level. But guys, so ito yung ilalim ng ating 10th floor level. Ito yung 9th floor level. So kita niyo yung mga support na nilagay natin dito. So baba na tayo, tapos na inspection natin dun sa 10th floor rebars and formworks. So nasa likod ko si Engineer Ruel. So siya yung one of the engineer ng CM. So yan. So ganito karami yung mga support natin just to make sure that our formworks are matibay dahil magbubuhos tayo ng volume of concrete dun sa 10th floor level slab. So kinakailangan natin na maayos yung mga support, forma ng ating poste, forma ng ating slab, and forma ng ating biga. Yan. So we are avoiding complacency na hindi maayos yung support that will compromise our structural stability or structural soundness nung floor na bubuhusan natin. So yan. Yes, Engineer Romel, Engineer Meg. Pababa na kami. So ito yung buhay job site, So hindi biro, Kala nyo lang masaya? Hindi. Dadaan ka dito, pinsan mauumpog ka pa kapag wala kang hard hat. So ito yung ating concrete jungle. So buhay arkitekto at buhay inhinyero yung ginagalawan namin dito. So ito naman yung ating formworks dito sa ating 7th floor level. 7 na to, Okay. So, we establish and we retain yung 3 strong floors habang may mga rebars tayo and formworks na ginagawa doon sa itaas. Dapat 100% pa rin yung last 3 floors ng ating mga formworks. Intact pa yung mga formworks natin and mga support dito sa ilalim ng ating biga at ng ating slab. So, ganyan karami. Alright, so napakahalaga ng mga procedure na to para matingin natin yung safety dito sa ating construction. So it is top and number 1 priority yung safety and stability ng ating structural support when it comes to our concrete wall. Alright, so yan ang procedure natin bago tayo magbuhos. Alright guys, so yan lang ating few updates dito sa Congressional Town Center Tower 3. I'm Architect Jojo, joyfully sharing with you what our team knows. Thank you and God bless.